Welcome to the Funeral Program site, your reliable and informative resource during a time of loss. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. But before we begin, if you find this video helpful, we invite you to join our community by liking and subscribing to our channel. Not only will you gain access to helpful information and resources, but you'll also receive our heartfelt support through this difficult journey for all of our products and services. Today, we're excited to feature our exclusive DIY funeral program template, the elegant Allegro design. This gem belongs to our changeable background collection of templates, allowing you to effortlessly match your funeral or memorial color theme while experiencing maximum creative flexibility. With the pre-formatted 4 sides, the Allegro design is embellished with an impressive white leaf border, delicately adorning the top and bottom of the program. On the cover, a translucent leaf flourish frames a precious photo box, adding a touch of finesse and sentimentality. Our preset solid blue hue background can be changed to your desired color choice, lending a personal touch to your keepsake. Our design also boasts an elegant cursive title that reads, "In Loving Memory," lending a heartfelt tribute to your cherished loved one. You can customize this even further by using your own fonts or wordings and removing our default title. The back of the template continues the botanical theme and features a transparent white box to showcase your personalized text. On the inside, you'll find a gentle, solid background, complete with coordinating borders and ample space for your unique content and photos. Don't miss out on the opportunity to create stunning funeral programs with ease, all while preserving your loved one's legacy. Your template download includes 4 files for Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and Google Docs. There is no limitation for the number of times you may use the template. With our step-by-step guidance, you can create funeral booklets by adding more pages and make it truly your own without having to create it from scratch. Let's honor those who've passed by creating unforgettable memories. This design and many others are exclusively at our online superstore, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.